Hi everyone, Toni here, back again for a quick little share from Twitchit Craft Kits. I have made a fun little swap. It's for a flip book by the Twitchit Craft Kits Tropical Kit. I just thought I'd quickly share with you a little flip through of the flip book. So the front is 5x7. And everything I used on this album is actually in the kit, except for the doily and the washing. So that's the front, nice and simple, pretty easy. And we just go into lots and lots of layers. Because it's a flip book, I love to add a lot of different layers at different sizes. And of course, a bit of acetate there as well to throw the journaling cards on. A couple of pockets, just a fun little feature piece there. Lots of little tags and stuff in there. So again, these are all different sizes, different lengths, different widths, and it's just to fit like that for a little flip book. Thanks for joining me. Till next time.